Hello guys, my goal is to keep this short but yet to cover some quick information. I think all of you know we've gone to Teacher Match for our applicant tracking system, so we will move forward. We've not held true to keeping the whole system in place as we've done early hiring this spring, but as we move forward, the expectation is we use the system fully. You can see below there is the actual login, the site that you would go to get to the information. There's also trainings that we can do. If you have not watched the videos that was sent to you, we can recover those, but I want to show you the quick navigation through it today. So you'll go to the website. This is what the sign-in page looks like. You're going to use your email and your password that was sent to you in the email from, and it probably said no reply Teacher Match. That was probably the label on it, so if you have to look for that and find it. If you cannot locate it and you need some help, you can contact myself or Miss Beddington, but you need to get that and be able to sign in. So when you go into this first page, this is what it's going to look like. Once you log in, it'll go to this page right here. And on this page, if you go under job orders and you see district job orders and you click that, all our jobs that are announced will come up. See, I asked for active jobs there. And if you just look here on the page, you can see we got a junior ROTC job at Newton Conover High School announced. It's active, and we've got it's vacant, and we've got 3 folks who've shown an interest in 2 that have completed. So that tells you right there what state you're in as far as number of applicants. This next box says candidate grid. You click on that candidate grid. When you click on that, it's going to actually take you to the grid where it shows those candidates. As you can see right here, William has applied and Don has applied. And in here, it shows you everything that's here. They have a cover letter. They've included their resume. This thumbs up or thumbs down is qualifying issues. There's a couple questions on there. We'll look at it real quick that they've answered. And the thing that it says, it will ask if they are presently employed, and it will tag certain things to put a red thumbs down. Don't let that deter you. Go take a look at it to see what the situation is and look into it. But it does tell you that there is something going on there. So you can look at that real quick. The next thing is actually we have not asked to collect references unless they just want to include them, because we prefer to talk to our reference folks online directly. We also have in here a set of basic questions, job-specific inventory questions that I think would be very helpful that they have taken a chance to answer. They're just we only have like 5 for each job. But you can see they're very basic information that you can preliminarily look at to do your initial review of who you might want to hire. So take advantage of that. That's to get you started, guys. You look right there, you see the candidates, you see their information, and then you move through the process. If I click on the individual, it takes me through a situation where I can start to communicate and record information about the candidate. If I look right here and I tag onto communication, it gives me an opportunity. If I've had a phone conversation, I can click on that and report it right there. If I want to send the email message, all I have to do is click right there and it automatically generates the person's email to send a message to this person. Makes it very simple. If there is other notes that I want to add in, if I've interviewed them, you just click right there and we save all the notes right there. If you want to upload some information, say you've interviewed this person, you want to upload your file from where you show the interview stuff, you can put it right there. But it has us a database of information about this, and that's under the communication. As you also move through, if you want to share this candidate, if you want to name, say, pretend it was an elementary candidate and I wanted to send it to Mr. Whitener. If I type in here North Newton Elementary, it comes up right there. I can click on that, tell it to go, and it's going to give me Shane Whitener. If I click Shane Whitener and tell it to share, it will send that information to you. Easy way to share information about candidates between each other in our district. The last thing on here is you see tag. We want to use this tag label to tell us what we've done. So when you look through there, when you're making your list of who to interview, they can be A list, B list. Are you going to interview now, or they might be a top priority? So click which one of those you're going. If you're going through all these and you know this is your A list, Click them if you know it's somebody, and it will show up on, show you a prime example. I'm going to click here. I'm going to save it. So when we go back into the database, you see to look at the candidates, and I've reviewed it. As I can see, I marked William right here as an A list, so I don't have to go back or write it somewhere else. I know from that tag that he's on my A list. So you can go back, and we'll go through here. Hopefully, as you interview, you'll mark him as interviewed, so we know. I'm going to go back into the tag, and you can apply any of those tags as you choose. Just quick information. We need to start using it as we work through the process. Now we're back at our home page. I'm not going to take any more time on this video to walk you through the onboarding process, but it will be an expectation that we will use that process. So as we move through the summer and you make hires, I will work with you to make sure we record all our data, our interview data, our reference check data, our status of hiring in each one of these candidate files. At this point, if you have any question, please contact me or Heidi Beddington. We'll be glad to work with you. Thank you.